Question 18. The question says, the diagram below shows a plane figure made up of congruent semicircles, meaning half circles. As you can see, these are semicircles. Angle AOB is 90 degrees, right? Describe fully the symmetry of the figure. So as you can see, check how this was appearing, how it was moving. From here, it came like this. It was rotating, right? Rotating. Look at the shape here. It came like this, like that, from the same point, right? So this was a complete revolution, the way it was moving, 360 degrees. So it was rotating. So you can say it is a rotational symmetry. See that? Order 4. It moved how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4. So order 4 about the angle is 360 degrees. About 360 degrees because it was rotating, right? So this is how you're supposed to do. Now, question B is talking about algorithms, which is this one is a pseudocode. Look out for a video for algorithms, specifically pseudocode and flowcharts. We have that video, so you can check it out. Question 19 is talking about functions. These are functions. Functions show a relationship between variables. The functions f and g are defined by f of x, meaning this one is a function of x, this one is a function of g, right? Function of f, function of g. So we have, this is 90. So f of x is equal to 2x minus 3, but also the function g in terms of x, we have 3x. The question says find this. What's this? When you see a power -1, it means inverse of f of x. F of x is this one. What's the inverse? So now you say let f of x be y. Whenever you are finding the inverse, you say let f of x be y. So this one, write it as y. So it will be like this. Next, make x the subject. Make x the subject of the formula. It means make x remain alone. So -3 will cross, it will be +3. It means 2x remains. Now make x the subject. Over 2, cancel, x remains. You see, we have this remaining. Finally, the inverse of function f will be this y, write it in terms of x, to be x, then +3 over the same 2. This is what you do. That's the inverse of f of x. B, question B. Find the g f of x. This one they have combined, so we call it composite function. They have combined f, g, and f. So what you do, you have g and f, right? So it will be like this. So write f of x, replace it here. F of x is 2x minus 3, right? After the equal sign, write this g that you haven't replaced yet. The g function is 3x. You see, f of x is this, the G is there. So what you do, where there's X here, put whatever is here. Where there's X here, put whatever is here inside the brackets. So let's pave way for that. So there's X, we'll put whatever is here, 2x minus 3. Then let us multiply 3 times 2x, 6x, 3 times 3, 9. So finally, the g f of x, which is the composite function, will be 6x minus 9. Next, we go for C. C, they're saying the g f of 2, meaning ask yourself, do you know the g of f, which was the composite function? Yes, we found it here. It was 6x minus 9. So since now for them they have put a 2 where there was x, it means even you, where there's x, put a 2, replace. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 9, what's the answer? So you get a 3. So the g f of 2 is 3.